Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, as you already seen, this is a tutorial on how to use your TikTok TikCode. And for those of you that are not familiar with that, it's basically this thing over here that you will use to share with your friends and everybody so they can get to your TikTok page really fast without having to actually remember your username. Especially if your username is kind of complicated. As some of y'all may know, this will make it more simpler for them to get to your page real simply instead of trying to tell them your whole entire, TikTok name that which may be 10 or 15 characters long or whatever. This will make it simpler. Now to get to this point over here though, first you have to get to this point here. If you're in your TikTok app, right? Basically you want to get to this page where you be able to edit your profile and everything, this page right here. And once you get to here, basically you want to go and hit those three dots there. Once you hit those three dots right there, you'll end up on a page that says settings and privacy. And you want to go down to this thing right here that says TikCode. Once you hit that, then you'll end up on this page in your TikTok app. And it'll say my TikTok TikCode, and this is what it's going to look like. And whatever image you got there for your TikTok avatar is going to show up in the middle. And basically this will allow anybody with a TikTok app to scan it in and get to your page really fast without no problem. And to actually be able to use that feature in your TikTok app while you're on this TikCode page, once they get here, they can either save their own TikCode thing to their own phone. Well, you can do the same thing to your phone, and then you can just use this image here in anything. You can use it in videos, you can put it on a poster or whatever, so that way somebody can get to your TikTok page really fast. And also for those that are actually trying to scan the TikTok code itself, you want to go over to here. They will hit this button right here, scan. Once you hit scan, you'll see a little screen come up with your camera with a little box in the middle that's got a little line going through it and all that stuff. And you basically will place that box right over top of this TikTok code. And once it's over this TikTok code, and long as you got a clean screen, clean camera lens screen, and your camera lens on your camera on your phone is clean, they'll be able to scan this TikTok code and they'll be at your page in less than a few seconds. And that's that. That's how you use it. That's a quick tutorial on how to use the TikCode from TikTok. And I hope this is useful. Tell your friends about this so they can help them to get familiar with this and everything. And let's spread the word about this, because this is a little feature that is not being talked about too much on TikTok for some reason. I don't know why, but it's there. So start using it. Because, especially with the long usernames that we all seem to end up with. So thank you for stopping by, and I hope this is useful, and have a great day.